Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make chocolate lasagna? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Come on, subscribe to the channel because there's tons of activities, games, crafts and baking like today. So it's free to do so, and you know, it's going to spice up your scouting. Do something different with it. And speaking about today, I'm going to teach you how to do chocolate lasagna. Sounds bizarre, but it is a no-bake recipe. What you're going to need is you're going to need some icing sugar, chocolate powder, some double cream, a 20 centimeter tin, which is 8 inches, supposedly, some Oreo biscuits, and some chocolate sauce. So you're looking at around about 12 biscuits to begin with, and that's going to layer your bottom of your tray. Technically what you should have is 4 by 4 of Oreo cookies. If your tin's slightly bigger, then obviously break some in half to cover the bottom, and if it's smaller then the same applies. But that fits 4 by 4 perfectly, which is really surprising for me. Now in a bowl, what you want is, you want 6.5 tablespoons of icing sugar, and you want 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. So you want 400 milliliters of this, so I'm just going to pour that in. So there's 400 milliliters of double cream. Into that goes 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then you want 6.5 tablespoons of icing sugar. Now, if you have an electric hand whisk, this is where you would do it. Otherwise, I'm whisking on my own. My advice would be to get an electric whisk, but you want it so that you get a little bit of a drip, but not too much. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pour half of that on top of your Oreos. Like so, and then you're going to spread that out. So what you're doing is you're layering this just like you would a lasagna. Then what you're going to do is layer another like sort of layer of biscuits, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put a drizzle of chocolate sauce on top. So you want it to be about 50 grams of chocolate sauce that you're going to put on. Like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pour the remaining bit on top of that. And then you're going to sprinkle on your last bit of chocolate sauce on top. And then with a cocktail stick, you're going to make it so that it has a nice little pan. Like that. Really cool and different. Finally, with the remaining cookies, you should only need 3. What you do is go put them in a bag, and then you're going to crush them. And you can crush them with a rolling pin or anything like that, or you can crush it with your hands. Whatever you want to do, it's entirely up to you. And then once it's all crushed, you're going to sprinkle that along the outside of the actual lasagna that you've made. So it makes like a nice little border. And once you've got your border, you're going to put that in your fridge for around about 7 hours or overnight, depending on obviously how you're going to do this. And after 7 hours, there we are, your chocolate lasagna. Oh, very nice. So, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like and share it around. And also subscribe, go on, help me out. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye!